In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove account restrictions on Facebook. When your account is restricted, you typically receive a notification explaining the reason for the restriction. If you haven't received a notification, check for violations by clicking on your profile icon. In the menu, open your profile and click on the three dots to access your profile settings. Click on Profile Status to view any violation listed. From the menu, scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Open Settings and navigate to Account Center. Under Account Center, open Personal Details and find Identity Confirmation. Tap on Confirm your identity and provide the necessary details, such as your country name and other relevant information. After confirming your identity, go back to the menu and scroll down to find Help and Support. Click on Report a Problem and follow the prompts. Shake your phone to the report issue effectively. And be patient, as account restrictions may be temporary. Your account may be automatically restored after a specific period if you've addressed the issue and followed the provided guidance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.